Hello and welcome to Eli and Eden Creative. My name is Pam and we are on day 44 of my 100-day project, and I'm just trying to figure out how to keep these little drawers from getting stuck. So I'm using this stuff that came in a package and some two-sided carpet tape to kind of create little bumpers. I quickly realized that my first one was way too generous with the bumper, and I realized that also if I lay the packing foam onto the tape, it'll be so much easier for cutting. And guess what? I cut the exact right amount of little things for these little bead drawers, so this worked really good. I was having a few snags with the little drawers, and that was even before I put paper on the front. So I decided I needed a quick and inexpensive fix to make that better. So tonight I am having dinner and working and hanging out with my fun little pets, and decided also I needed to finally get these clean. All artists do this, don't we? Don't we? Please. Yes, we do. So, this one here got smushed. It's supposed to have a tip, so I was trying to figure out a way to make this pointy again. So I got a little bit of paper towel and I wrapped it around and checked it, and it seemed to work. So I just added more. That's just laundry soap, and twisting it up real tight, and then I'm gonna just put it in with my brushes to dry. And so I'm using the soap to clean the brushes and reshape the bristles into the shape that they're supposed to be in. I just find it, I don't know, it just works. And this one here, the sides got pushed out, so I'm just reshaping everything, making sure everything is good. And sometimes you can get away with just using the soap. And some brushes, you want them to stay scruffy. Okay? I'm not going to lie, there are need for scruffy brushes. So just doing some maintenance for the evening and getting ready for creativity tomorrow. I hope that you have a fantastic day. Whatever you're doing, get creative, have some fun, and make sure you take care of your brushes. Ta-ra!